guys!
Sabi lang to.
So, we're here at Queen Beach to have some, relax time naman after bed rotting for ilang weeks since vacation started. And tomorrow is her birthday, guys. So, greet her. In-order lang namin party fries na cheesy and chicken chops na honey garlic. Galing na kami kanina sa SOC, sa Stream of Consciousness, dun sa cafe ni Maris Rakan. And masarap naman yung kape nila, di ba? And ngayon, we're having our late lunch here at Queen Beach. And, ayun, mamaya magpipicture-picture lang, aura-aura for the go. Kapag nag-set na yung sun. Malamang sunset. Ito yung rason kung bakit hindi ako pwedeng mag-vlog eh. May intrusive thoughts. Talaga, panalo na panalo. Sige ko talaga kung merong pindutan si Inger. Lagi siyang nakapindut.
Patugtog po ng pan-tropico. Sasayaw ako.
Sa islang pan-tropico. Pan-tropico.
I love the vibe.
Very parang siya. Ay! Hindi siya start. Diba? Very tawag na isa pa. TikTok. Kailangan maayos yan. Nag-show yung kanal. Hindi ko lang paano personality gagamitin ko dito sa YouTube. Wala lang. I find it hard na bumalik ulit sa vlogging after nung kay Papa. Like, naiiyak ako every time na mag-vlog ako pag makikita ko yung sarili ko sa camera na ganito, ganyan. Ma-realize ko na. Anyway,
felt different.
Ang ganda talaga ng angulo dito sa camera ko. Hindi ako, kanina pa ako tumitingin na, ala, yanan.
Pero naka-timelapse.
Oo. Braces out na pala tayo, guys. Alam nyo ba tong damit namin, hindi pa namin to sinlan. Like, nagkagulatan.
Shock!
Nag-shock, bro! Ang galing. Para hindi na mabulol.
Yes.
Nag-shock. Ang kakaganda pala talaga pag may nails, no? Parang nakakabango ka tingnan.
Yes.
We're just enjoying the last days of summer before nalaman kami maging LDR ng aking childhood bestie. Okay, so para lang sa, wow, for your information and everyone, we've been friends since 2008. So, right before we started Tinder, mag-friends na talaga kami. So, we're basically sisters. Hindi lang by blood, but it's more than blood talaga.
When I saw her and I met her, she told me that she was concerned for my health and I promised to get better, but she was only just concerned for herself. And now I fall so far, can't touch the ceiling. I don't know if you'll ever hear me. It's crowded now.
Yeah, we're having chicken chops, party fries na medyo nasimulan na namin. Ayan, ito pala yung chicken chops. May kasama siyang ranch. Yeah. Ayan, hi guys. So, update. Di pa rin po kami tapos kumain.
Matukan mo.
Inubos ko na lang yung chicken dahil chicken na lang. Ito, i-take out na namin ito dahil hindi na
Cannot
i
borrow one or two.
Ala. Si mathematician pala to. Ala. Dito siya tapos.